Good morning everyone. This is our second chapter of geography portion, chapter 2, the structure of the earth. Open your book children, page 111. Keep your pencil in your hand. Let's start the chapter. So our chapter name is structure of the earth. Earth ka structure. Now in this chapter we know about in further pages what are the structure of the earth. Clear? So let's start this chapter. Begin the first para and some pictures here given in your box. First step, see some marbles are given, granite, red sandstone, some types of rocks pictures are given in your first page of this chapter. So let's start the first para. Hold your book children in your hand. It is believed that temperature at the center of the earth is close to 5000 degrees Celsius. See what is given here. Suppose this is our earth. This is our earth. And the temperature here at the center. Okay. 5000 degree Celsius. 5000 degree Celsius. Again I repeat this line. It is believed that the temperature at the center of the earth is close to 5000 degrees Celsius. Therefore, due to such high temperatures, it is nearly impossible to gather precise information about the interior of the earth. So, this temperature 5000 degrees Celsius, it is possible to gather here at the center information मिलने का कुछ possibility होती है ना? See the temperature of the earth at the center 5000 degrees Celsius. Can you find any information here? No, in this high temperature. Can you find any information? No. So, let's move further. About interior of the earth, hence the basis of our information on the earth's surface and its interiors is based on evidence from deep mine operations, volcanic eruptions and the nature of the earthquake. So, we find some evidence. हम कोई वहाँ तो जान नहीं सकते interior of the earth because it contains 5000 degree Celsius temperature. We can't go in these at the center of the earth. Okay. So, we find some evidence. हमें कुछ evidence मिले हैं जिसके थ्रू हम पता लगा सकते हैं कि interior of the earth में क्या होता है. Clear? Suppose earthquake, okay, volcanic eruption, है ना, इसके थ्रू हम इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ, हमारे अर्थ के सेंटर में क्या अवेलेबल है, क्या है ना, वी फाइंड, है ना, वी कैन गेसिंग. ओके, सो हियर आवर फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द अर्थ. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर इट इज चिल्ड्रन, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द अर्थ. और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज first topic here, structure of the earth. Structure of the earth. So let's see here. If we peel an onion you see ना, प्याज देखा है आपने. If you peel, आप उसको छीलते हो. Okay. So what you get? We find that there are layers. Layers are there in onion also. Similarly, the structure of our earth is also layered. Yes, it is also layered. Layered में divided children. See, this is our earth. It is divided into layer. जैसे एक onion की layer होती है ना, एक के बाद एक हम layer निकालते हैं, layer दिखती है और we cut, है ना, उसी तरीके से earth की भी layers होती है. Clear? Like this. So, our earth is made up of 3 layers, the crust, mantle and core. What they are? The crust, mantle and core. What they are? Let's see. Let's talk about our first topic of this point, structure of the earth, crust. Crust के बारे में पढ़ेंगे in detail. Okay, crust. Hold your pencil, children, in your hand. So, the crust is the topmost layer of the earth. Here I told you just before that our earth is made up of three type of layer. Our earth is made up of three type of layer. First is crust. First is crust. अब ये कौन सी लेयर है children? First one. This one is crust. This one is crust. Another one is mantle. Okay, mantle. This one. This one. This one. Okay, this one. Mantle and the inner one. अब ये पूरी at the center तक. Here. Okay, this is core. What is this? Core. Understood, children? Our earth divided into three layers. Uppermost layer is called crust. Then second layer name is mantle, and the third layer name is core. Now let's talk about the first topic, crust. Crust is the topmost layer of the earth. Topmost मतलब सबसे ऊंची layer. Clear? It is also called lithosphere. Yes, it is land lithosphere है ना? It is other name of the crust is lithosphere. It is thinnest layer of the earth. सबसे पतली layer होती है तीनों के हिसाब से, है ना? I told you just now that three layer of the atmosphere and crust is the thinnest layer. Thinnest मतलब सबसे पतली layer होती है. Clear? सबसे पतली layer होती है. It is the thinnest layer of the earth. The upper part of the crust is called the continental crust. अब suppose this is crust. अब ये upper part मतलब सबसे ऊंचा part. Clear? ये crust है ना? तो इसका सबसे ऊपर का part, this one, upper layer. See, the upper part of the crust is called the continental crust. What it's called? Continental crust. Continental crust. Upper part of the crust is known as continental crust. Average thickness 35 किलोमीटर. इसकी thickness कितनी होती है? 35 किलोमीटर. Up to this 35 किलोमीटर. This one 35 kilometer. 35 kilometer. Okay. किलोमीटर. कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट की थिकनेस कितनी होती है? 35 किलोमीटर. एंड द लोअर इज कॉल्ड द ओशनिक क्रस्ट. एंड द लोअर, दिस वन, इट इज कॉल्ड ओशनिक क्रस्ट. व्हाट इज इट इज कॉल्ड चिल्ड्रन? ओशनिक क्रस्ट. Oceanic crust, and its thickness is 5 kilometer only. कितने किलोमीटर है? 5 kilometer. Understood? I repeat this para again. Second point, see. It is the thinnest layer of the earth. Crust is the thinnest layer of the earth. Clear? सबसे पतली layer होती है तीनों के हिसाब से. तीनों कौन सी? Crust, mantle and core. Okay. So it is the thinnest layer of the earth. The upper part of the crust is called continental crust. What is the upper part? Continental crust, and it covered 35 kilometer. Okay, 35 kilometer deeper है, deeper तरफ है. And the lower is called oceanic crust. Average thickness 5 kilometer. Or lower layer, it is oceanic crust, and its thickness is 5 kilometer, and continental crust thickness is 35 kilometer. Clear, children? Now see the next point. Continental crust is composed of silica Si and aluminium Al, and hence is called seal. Okay, again I repeat, continental crust, that means this crust, which its average thickness is 35 kilometer, and it found silica and aluminium. Here we found silica Si and aluminium Al. Okay, silica का Si और aluminium का Al, it combined called Cl. Understood? See the next one. Oceanic crust is composed of silica Si and magnesium Ma, and hence it is called sima. Okay, another crust name is oceanic crust, and its thickness is 5 kilometer only. Here it contain magnesium. Okay, here it contain magnesium Ma, magnesium, okay, and silica Si. So here combine it called sima. Here if we combine these two names, here I write Si and here I write Ma. Okay, silicon it contain and Ma, magnesium it contain. If we combine these two names, we get sima. Si-Ma, sima. Clear this, children? See, sima. Clear? Continental crust में कौन से फाउंड होते हैं हमें? Silicon and aluminium. So we combine here these two names called Cl. And here in oceanic crust, what we found? Silicon and magnesium. Here we combine it. What we call this? Sima. Okay. Now let's move further. The average density of these layers is about 3.0 gram. And the average density of Cl, here the average density of Cl is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. Here 3.0 gram per centimeter cube. Here density is given. Cl की डेंसिटी है 2.7 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब और सीमा की डेंसिटी है 3.0 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, the upper crust is a reservoir of mineral. Upper crust means this one upper crust is the reservoir of mineral we can found here. अब आप बोलोगे मैम मिनरल क्या होता है? इट इज़ अ सब्सटेंस विच नेचुरली ऑकर, है ना. मिनरल वो चीज़ें होती है जो नेचुरली ऑकर होती है, खुद ही ऑकर होती है ज़मीन के अंदर, और उसको हम निकालते हैं, प्योर करते हैं और कई सारी चीज़ें बनती है, जैसे कि आयरन रॉड बनता है, घर में जो आपके यूटेंसिल्स है बर्तन उससे बनते हैं, है ना. गोल्ड मिलता है, ऑर्नामेंट्स बनते हैं, है ना. एवरीथिंग वी गेट फ्रॉम मिनरल. ओके, मिनरल से कई सारी चीज़ें बनती हैं. सो मिनरल, वेयर वी फाउंड मिनरल अपर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ दिस क्रस्ट. क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? क्रस्ट क्लियर हुआ आपका? अगेन आई रिपीट दिस वन चिल्ड्रन. सी, our earth can be divided into 3 layers. What they are called? Crust, mantle and core. Crust is the uppermost layer of the earth. Okay, and it divided into 2 parts. है ना. First part is called continental crust, which average thickness is 35 kilometer, and the lower part of the crust is oceanic crust, and its average density is 5 kilometer. Clear? Here we found silica and aluminium combined we get Cl, and its density is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. And here in oceanic crust we get silicon and magnesium. We combine it called sima, and its density is 3.0 gram per centimeter cube. Clear children? Now see the next topic, mantle. Next layer is mantle. What's next layer? Mantle. So let's talk about this. mantle. It is second layer of our earth. Okay, let's see. The mantle is the middle layer of the earth. Middle means बीच की layer होती है children. Middle layer of the earth. It is also called mesosphere. This is the middle layer of the earth and it is also called mesosphere. What it is also called, children? Mesosphere. Understood? It lies just below the crust. It is 2900 किलोमीटर thickness. मेंटल की थिकनेस कितनी है? ये जो थिकनेस है कितनी है? 2900 किलोमीटर. Its thickness is 2900 किलोमीटर. 2900 किलोमीटर. Underline it. The average density of the mantle range from 3.5 to 5.5 grams centimeter cube. And here in this area its density is 3.5 to 5.5. 3.5 to 5.5 gram per centimeter cube. किसकी डेंसिटी है चिल्ड्रन? ये मेंटल की डेंसिटी है here. Okay. Now see the next point. Average temperature of these layer ranges from 870 degrees Celsius to 2200 degrees Celsius. Temperature here its temperature. मेंटल का टेम्परेचर कितना बता रहा है यहाँ पर? क्लियर? See 870 degree Celsius to 2200 degree Celsius. This is the temperature of mantle layer. Okay. Now the mantle has two layers, the upper mantle and the lower mantle. Again this layer divided into two, upper mantle and lower mantle. ऊपर की लेयर, ऊपर का mantle layer and the lower mantle layer. Clear? It is mostly made up of silicon, Si, iron, Fe and magnesium, Mg. So what it contains? Silicon, iron, Fe, iron को Fe से कहते हैं. Okay, silicon, iron and magnesium, Mg. Okay, silicon it contains. In this layer what we have? Silicon. We get silicon here in this layer. Fe that means iron and Mg means magnesium. Okay, magnesium. Clear? This is our second layer. Mantle is the second layer. It is divided into two parts, upper layer and the lower layer. Okay, and its temperature, its density is 2900 kilometer and its temperature is 870 degrees Celsius to 2200 degrees Celsius. And what we get here in this layer? Silicon, iron, Fe and magnesium, Mg. Clear children? So we will continue this topic in next period. तब तक के लिए bye bye. Have a good day.